Hey crafty friends, Amanda here with day 31 of series 13 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. This is October of 2023 and our sketch today is by Brianna Spores. Love My Life on Paper is where you can find her. And I'm finalizing this really is the last of my Disney photos from our trip in 1997 and 2000. So these are when we went to the Rainforest Cafe that's just outside of Disney's Animal Kingdom, and we had a fabulous day with our friends. This is from 97, and so I'm just kind of looking at the sketch that's here in the upper left corner and also my photos to see really what I want. I'm going to decide that because the globe is already represented in the photo with my husband and I, that I don't need a duplicate of that. And then I'll probably also decide, I do decide that I don't want the parrot because it's a thing. It's not of us. I do love this tree, and I thought that the tree photo would end up being my title, but because I have these stickers, I don't know if we purchased something and got them. There's a good chance that I knew that I wanted to scrapbook this, and so I had purchased those to do that. There's also a chance that it was given to us free in some sort of the special white glove treatment that we had purchased. I don't know. So here I'm auditioning some of the Bluebell cardstock. I feel like I need something to tie in with what I'm thinking is going to be the title of the page in that photo. And so I really like how the Bluebell worked with that. Bluebird, excuse me. And then I realized that I needed to frame it in. It was too much white space, and so by framing it in, it's going to kind of help focus on the photos. I'm loving the film strip on this. I did choose to cut that out of the Best Days. I don't remember what the name of that paper pack is. I apologize. But I loved the rainbow effect on it. And so I had originally cut that in just a green color because for whatever reason, Rainforest, Animal Kingdom, it just makes me think green. So I did go ahead and pull that green cardstock and I cut the center of it out, and I'll end up matting all of my photos with that. I did double matte the photos of Laura and I and my husband and I, again, just to kind of help the people stand out in them. So Brianna has some splatters kind of in the background, and I'm going to do that a little bit, but instead of being so focused, I'm just going to kind of random stamp them around. I have a general idea of where the photos are, so I'm just trying to fill in some of those gaps. This stamp is from the Design Elements stamp set that you can get currently, and I will have a list of the products that I use as well as some of the tools that I like with their links. Some of those are close to my heart links, some of those are Amazon links. Either way, I do receive compensation from that. It doesn't cost you anymore. It's just those companies' way of saying thank you. So if there's anything that you see that I use, do be sure to check that out in the description. Also in the description is the playlist for everybody that's participating this month in the 30 Days of Sketches. Last time I checked, there was over 400 videos, and then there's one playlist of just my videos for this so that you can kind of watch my series. The last couple times that I've done many of the sketch layouts, I have chosen kind of a theme or a project, I'll say. One of them was a heritage album for my mom for Mother's Day in 2022, and then this one is these Disney photos that have been taunting me. So once I put the photos down, I realized that I needed to just add a few more of those stars, and the little star splatter is from the One of Those Days stamp set. That's cute little critters that just have their hair, fur all messed, and just one of those days. So here I have some pressed pennies that I've saved. I have my memorabilia all stored together, and it was listed, like I knew what I had. I had a checklist for it. In our move, I have lost my checklist, but I think I might go through and just recategorize, catalog them again, because I've sorted them now. I just need to remember what they're for. And I'm just using the stickers to kind of add some interest around on this page, and we're coming to an end. I did use the Cricut to cut out that Mickey head. I think the ears should have been bigger in hindsight, but coming into Halloween and things going on. I had to run over to my mom's today, and she's over an hour away from us. So between going back and helping her and then coming back with traffic, I just kind of ran out of time. Not your problem, but that's just what happens. So I'm just using what I have here. I love this layout. It's not one of my favorite. I have layouts that speak to me more, but it's done. It tells the story. I'm very excited about that. I've had these gems on my desk again, just doing some stash busting, and it's funny, you don't necessarily see it on the camera, but these little gems kind of sprinkled around the photo and the frogs really help, I think, focus your eye in on the people. It just kind of gives you boundaries. So one last time, I'm going to take my gel pen and highlight those ears. I've added my journaling and we're done. So be sure to check out the playlist. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that now. Thumbs up for the video, doesn't cost you anything, helps me a lot. Here's how you can contact me. There's also links in the description. Have a great day. Blessings.